Welcome, today in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here on the fingerprint scanner my fingerprint recognition, and now as can you see I can unlock my device with my fingerprint. So now I'll just show you how fast and how useful this feature is on our Realme C25s, and I'll make like a 5 of tries with the simple touch of our fingerprint scanner, and we will see the results here. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, just by really simple touch I can unlock my device, and I think that the fingerprint scanner works really fast here. So if you like some methods, if you don't like some methods like this pin code or pattern, you can try and use the fingerprint scanner on our Realme C25s, but also be sure that you got to clean this fingerprint scanner and your fingers just to unlock your device successfully. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.